Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, The Onlookers Occult. Today, we're going to do a very special reading that resonates to the feelings of your heart. This reading is for your someone special. This is going to tell you what your heart desires and what you should do for this, and who is your person of love and what is the message that that person has for you. So take a moment, pause the video if you wish to, choose one pile out of this four, and I'm going to be doing a 4-card spread for you guys today. It is also called the heart spread. It is going to showcase what your heart desires and what message do you have from the person who is your love or your twin flame. So this is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, this is pile number 3, and this is pile number 4. Okay, let's start with pile number 1. These are the people who chose the first pile and chose this beautiful black crystal. So let's see what your readings have for you. Okay, these are your 4 cards. The first card that I'll be displaying is going to tell you what does your heart need from you. Oh, and it's the King of Pentacles. So the King of Pentacles, if you notice, has bullheads on his back. The robe is covered with grapes and wine leaves, and the person of course has a pentacle in their hand, and you can look at his castle. So if you're a male, this reading says that you want to be someone who is very financially sound, and you are, but you still desire to be more of a person with gifts of calculation, mathematical gifts, a person who can foresee and be calculative about things, a person who can draw from the environment and build himself and his family the environment that they and he himself deserves. If you're a female, and you're a single female, it means that you're looking forward for a man who is good, who's loyal, loves his family, can build a family, is good with financial matters. So yes, if you're a woman who's already seeing somebody, your man is somebody who is already in the quest of providing for his family, for building a dream house for his family and maybe yourself. Somebody who's very calculative, somebody who's got the gift from the maths lord. He's somebody with a good intuition and somebody who's a visionary. So the second card is going to reveal what is it that you should do to give your heart what it needs. Oh, and it's the 3 of Wands. So basically what you should be doing, irrespective of your gender and irrespective of your relationship status, is that you should invest a lot of time to introspect and to think ahead and to plan things accordingly. You gotta figure out the best way, the best path that you should follow, the best plan that you should get into executing for achieving all the things that your heart desire. The third card is a beautiful card. It is going to tell you who has a message of love for you. This can resonate to the special person that you have. And it's Temperance. So This is Angel Michael that you see here. Temperance is a card that denotes coordination, it denotes management, good management, it denotes a very balanced situation. With you're someone special, and it denotes somebody who definitely is at peace and is flowing some ideas from their subconscious mind, from the unconscious mind to the subconscious mind. So this can actually mean that your special someone is in a very calm state, but they are in the process of adaptation. They are getting adjusted to new ideas, but with a lot of wisdom, with a lot of control over the situation. And this person is likely to be associated with either one of the fire elements or the water elements. One of you, either you or your partner, your special somebody, definitely seems to be a water sign or a fire sign. And let's see now, what message does this special person have for you? Oh, it's the King of Wands. So King of Wands is stability. King of Wands is a loyal person, a person who looks out for their family, a person who can look ahead, can understand people, have understood you, and offer you a good life, a healthy, a wealthy life, and a loyal relationship. So what it actually means is that your desire to be settled both in a manner of having a partner and in terms of a good life is what you want, and you shall achieve the same with a lot of planning and a thought. Your person is a person with a very beautiful temper. He is a very calm person by nature, but is driven by the elements of fire, and definitely either you are or him, and definitely there is a lot of adaptation that is going on, the acceptance of modification and moving along with it in the best way possible. And the final message by your person is that they can be a girl, can be a boy, is a very loyal person, is a person who will take care of your family, take care of yourself, take care of all your needs, cater to all your needs. So that was it for group number 1. Now let's see what the cards have in store for pile number 2. You are the guys who selected the beautiful amethyst crystal. I'm going to spread your cards out. So we're going to start with the first card that is going to tell you what is it that your heart actually desires. Oh, so if you're a female, what your heart desires is to reach a stage where you are a very spiritually enlightened person, as well as a person with a lot of wisdom, intelligence, as well as compassion, somebody who can cater to the needs of her family, and also somebody who's very wise in decisions and has very sound judgments pertaining to both personal and professional matters. So if you're a female, you want to be the high priestess. If you're a male, you desire this in your life, a partner who's like this. Oops. This card represents what should you be doing, but I'd rather say this actually is an alarming card. This card, if you can see, is a person who's trying to steal the swords from a army camp, and he even left behind 2 of them. So this card generally shows that your current moment is kind of hampering your way to reach this. So whatever your pace might be at this current moment, I think that for you it seems like an okay pace or an action, but it might not be the same, and you must reevaluate your current present scenario, what you're doing at this point of time, and change it as quick as possible in order to reach the spot where your heart desires to be at. The third card is going to tell you who has a message of love for you. Oh, and it's the Knight of Swords. So the person, someone special, is a person who's very courageous, a person who's very loyal, a person who can stand up for what they want. They can stand up and fight against the entire world for their family. They are the most clean and clear in their hearts, and they have a spirit like fire, and they can actually go to any distance and go and face any sort of turbulences in order to be with you. So lucky you. The fourth card is going to tell you what this person who loves you has in place. This can be both a male or a female. Oh, the Emperor. Okay, the Emperor. So either this is what, if you're a male, this is what the girl wants from you or what you should be. If you're a female, again, it may be what you should be doing, or maybe what your partner should be doing. So the Emperor means somebody who is stable, somebody who's loyal, somebody who's just can very easily it relates to more the paternity side. It's somebody who can easily cause wars, but because of the kind of intellect or wisdom that this person might have, they know what decisions to take and what not to. It's a card of union. It's a card for controlled and directed sexual desires as well. So I think the message that your person is trying to give you is to avoid any warlike situations that might be coming up because of you, and maybe you are physically away from each other, maybe because of the situations, or maybe because you are in different places right now. They have a desire to mate you. They have not only emotional and mental desires, but also physical and sexual desires towards you that they'd like to fulfill. And it definitely looks like this person's message to you is to be with them and to form a union. So summing up your cards, you want to have a person in your life who's a person of a very good level of wisdom. You want to be this, or you want this person to be in your life. Whatever your pace is at the current moment is not working out for you, you must adopt to something better. Your person is somebody who is very courageous and very clean at heart and a very loyal person, and what they expect from you is to be very wise, very nice, not be the source of any conflicts, and to be in a sort of union with you guys. Okay, this reading is for people who chose pile number 3 and they chose this beautiful red crystal. So I'm going to spread your cards out. So the first card is going to tell you what is it that your heart desires. And let's see, what is it? Oh, it's teamwork that your heart desires. Coordination is what your heart desires. To be amongst the people you love, to be with somebody you love. This could be your special someone, or to be with a group of your friends. This is what your heart desires the most at this point of time. Maybe you've been feeling a little lonely, or maybe you've been feeling a little too tired with the company that you have around you right now, so you kind of want to break free of that, or you are craving for somebody. This somebody could definitely be your special someone. You definitely want to be with them and their family. Card number 2 is going to tell you what is it that you need to do. Okay, so it's the 9 of Swords, and it tells that you've been downtroding yourself with a lot of negative thoughts, and these could be your own emotions or maybe negativities of people around you. But I assume and I believe that if you're letting other people's negativity affect you, it may as well be your own negative thoughts. So don't feel trapped because you are craving for some company, and try to pull out all the negative thoughts that might be making you, stuck at a mental position. This is what you need to do. The third card is, who is the person who has a message of love for you? Oh, and it's the Queen of Wands. So a person who has the ability to make things happen, but still a person who's very kind, who's very generous, very compassionate, but also a visionary, also somebody who can lighten up maybe your world, the world of their own friends and family, a person who is very beautiful from their soul, a person who has a lot to offer, and a person who's actually ready for you. And for some reason it seems like if you're a male, this is a female, and she is already there in your life. If you're a woman, it means that you are being this to somebody, you mean this to somebody. The final card is, what is the message of love that your person has for you? Oh my god, and it's the Empress. I think it's beautiful. So if it's a male who's doing this reading, very good. The Empress is a sign of unity. It's a sign of marriage for those who are already in a committed relationship. It may also mean a committed relationship for those who've been dating. This is a sign of marriage. For married couples, it's a sign of fertility. For farmers, it's a sign of a good crop season, and it's a very beautiful card. The beauty, the other person seems to have a lot of beauty in their lives, and they see the same in yours, and they want to incorporate their own set of happiness into yours. So union is what they want. So your reading goes in a way that you desire either to escape your current setup, or you desire to be with somebody, maybe friends, or maybe your special someone. But now that I've seen the cards, I don't think it is the special someone that you're craving for, because you already have them in your life. It's actually, this could actually be your friends. Maybe you're craving for something from outside, something which is related to your friends. This is a sign that you've been having a little negative thoughts, or maybe that you're pinned down in a position that you are either okay with, or either you want to escape the same. This is the person who loves you. She's the Queen of Wands, or this could be you. You might be in love with somebody. This is a person who has a lot of light, a lot of wisdom, has a lot to offer, and she can make things happen for herself. And finally, what they want from you is union. They want to bring in the beauty uh, of your life by connecting it to the beauty that they have in their life. The final reading of the heart is for people who chose pile number 4 and this beautiful white crystal. So I'm going to spread your cards out. The first card is going to tell us what is it that your heart desires. And it is justice. So you want justice to be served. What you want is, for some of you, it might mean that there are some cases related to the law that you want to resolve. For others, it means that you might just be a little blurred and confused about what's happening in life, and all you pray for and what you desire is that the right things happen. Justice is imparted on you. So, and let's see, what is it that you should be doing to get what your heart desires? It is to be the King of Swords. You should be very courageous. You should look out for what's happening and whatnot. You should not only be a leader, but also a part of the followers as well. You should lead the way and be an active member of the same. You should come out strong with your emotions and not be scared to claim the position that is yours. The third card is going to tell you who is the person who has a message of love for you. Oh my god! So it's the 8 of Swords. So I guess your person is somebody who is kind of trapped right now. Also, not to think that they're in a position or in a situation where they've been downtrodden. It's more like, this person is in a situation that they happily want to be in. They're free to move out, but they still choose to be like that. So this greatly might signify that your person is somebody of a family person, and they don't feel weighed down by the responsibilities of the families that might be a little more than other people of their age, but they're ready for it and they never escape. They would close their eyes, as in they'll shut all the emotions that urge and tell them that they deserve better, and then they should leave the current situations to whoever it belongs to. But your person doesn't choose that. Your person stays with that. Your person understands that they're free, but they understand where they want to be. So let's see what this person, this might not look like, but your person's a very strong person. Let's see what is the message of love that this person has for you. Oh, it's the Fool. So the message that this person has for you is to relax more. Maybe they mean don't think too hard, don't think too much, just be a little more relaxed, let things happen, let things flow, and don't be scared of where you're going, because everything's going to be fine. That person is, that person or your spirit guide or your family is always going to take care of where you're heading. So it's okay to just relax and go where you're going, even though you personally feel that this is like jumping off a cliff, but I guess that's just what you believe. That might just not be true, because even if that is, there are going to be people or your person who's going to hold you back. So what it means is that you're scared, and you want justice to be imparted. You want whatever decision, whatever changes happen in life are fair to you. And what is it that can you do to reach there? Take stand for what is yours, claim your position, and where you're supposed to be. You should be there. Your person is somebody who is not trapped but is not scared of being trapped or being overloaded with the problems of the family. He or she is a very strong person who doesn't run away from the situations that are there, and what they want from you is to be a little more relaxed, to trust their instincts, to trust them, and to take that leap that they are scared of. So that was all. Thank you guys so much. I hope you like the reading. I hope it resonates to you. Please like the video, leave comments. If there are more readings that you want me to do, you should definitely write to me about that. Thank you.